and drive papa dome wo say wo atwa na be kun no visa South Africa uko di ne yere ntro pa mo go kun urafi wo yire di wa South Africa abusafo ni nyina nim they know it no pamo no dome wo say twa na du be ko wo Ajagurajah o kan nyina no me ameka asem jiro efie sunsun ena wode the church of Aladura bofo atoso tieni efie sunsun ena yedi Ajagurajah na atoso ena 2 weeks bi edi moja no
about too much GH. Message say when you first time I do video to one them subscribe to my page and also press on the bell so that I upload the answer and say bet back and nothing so no. Follow me on all the social media platforms. Too much GH. Ebusia Sofo Ajagurajah yenim so ye Sofo kwabena esiama any yene nua bema Sofo Boakye the beef be I share so for some time now. Na beef koso nyina no me say me nka ho hwe because I know say kwabena esiama any kenebra beneno they are very good guys their koso no we never expected say it will come to this end but the way our issue no esifa call na man for kire say e was sempanimfo bi embremu no muntu omofo fi say enibo a etimu a na ebeko ebusia obekaya Ajagurajah be granted an interview or say wade temu say kene nua bi wa brochire na obebo ne dam
temebusu mi moja mabɔ ne dama me yɛ de na fira bocha bagana okre na se do nyankopɔ me bɔ nyankopɔ nkume ama mabɔ ne chemu aso hwa tete fufufu na ma na di yes am wu am nkɔ okre anya sa me de Ajagurajah move be de prekodan okre me ka me ba sha mi me de camera beto so ama gana fo nyina suru me okre me ne ma ne me man kada the border sani shada bopa sen confront moto so momtuo
Sofo Boakye ababonten abe confirm say Ajagurajah are making so many attempts on his life to the extent say mama post for crab benefi abe search ni fi fridge mu nyina no mo search ni nyina na say Ajagurajah amomo tip of but ebusuan say ye tenase ne ye hwe ne Ajagurajah ne nua be mai ya ye hunu say insempi omu e say tenase ne ye kan but the edikan but my encourage response a wodo a Sofo Boakye e de bae na afi ne Ajagurajah so e de atato
and drive papa dome wo say wo atwa na be kun no visa South Africa uko di ne yere ntro pa mo go kun urafi wo yire di wa South Africa abusafo ni nyina nim they know it no pamo no dome wo say twa na du be ko wo Ebra sha se ye gara so no na me ka secret bi nchito ya mo pasuma nipa ba ne catch frame me catch them say abeda wo ne nam no hwa wuye na da chi bi abeda wo ne nam no hwa wuye ni di ba fra na bed abeda ne nam no hwa wuye na da chi bi ono anka se de betwa ne ho asama nipa gu ani mu ase abejina social media so bobo me dam na unya high fever edo ko to conference D4 no endo urafi ultimate to myself not a classist boy e won school kan no abon chese mababo chinti ya wo ya ka wosan ka mpo na ka bomb paye because obi nim de da che besie obi anim dwonku ade be che so obi anim de obi ne nsakora obada so ade be che o ene na bia office wo sika o bi be bedru me bi na oni bi tini ye pa ebusuya bia wo sunsun ebusuya bia wo sunsun eboa ye fie ye wo sunsun wo ye fie uko bibie ni kalonko Ajagurajah all can in ano. Me make us am jiro. Efie sunsun. And our day the church of Aladura bofo atoso. Tieni efie sunsun. Ena yedi Ajagurajah na toso. And in 2 weeks the edi moja no. And abusuafo se onya de oye no. Wo se onyai. Enu nie Meso pa ko bibieni. Ko bi a friend kalonko. Dem se me boa ko. Eyi fie sunsun. E na odi Ajagurajah atoso. Tama ka so se busua bia wo sunsun. Tena 2 weeks bia no na fa dwabra na fa dwabra mame kire wade edwana ye twa no me na me yi quotations free bible mu a e de join ye da be ka so ontimi nya me hwe no oni me ka oni foku ontimi nya foku na mbisi me nya bi mabre metu kwan o problem le say Tell me UK have a blame. I frustrated. Oh no, I frustrated. And I want to be nanajo. Want to be nanajo. Krakuto only 36 years. I want pressure. Want to be na. One no grant me na. What that 2 hours no near tape. Me say some make some be to no so. Unyankupo trade up on yemenkwa. One ma drum pono, one ma drum what done 2 hours pe no one yati. Two hours pe. How dare you so bomb me down. And no na mama bu free kura. Mo bia ntron kwasa sem wazi. What you wanna would matam e da so na mka kire no. Obetina social media o de ma besi wa would matam e da so na mka kire no.
Tolma BP no wa won dey sa 2 hours bi afa bi and I say BP ni e serious.
Me busa question. Kobi, so on say BP do udra. Me see the busa obi a wadi me kwete pen say me wa hoode ana me nya hoden.
Omo keka.
Ya keka.
Adama. Ka gara ba ka say me bia ni.
I watch the full live. I Kobi, e do bi am BP no Kobi. Me wa be plan to be dima say. One was be dima. Na be kwate ba sore. Nyansa yanto.
Utumi ka do no be ma so dima wajim. Na ko o to ba we sa we su na ko mediana. O to ba we sa we de empo no na ko mediana.
I say ho, you just said because of his case they still love. I never said I love him. Me say me person me can no be nyesa the money through school my best re wo mo.
Madam ma wo so ni nsem ni bi so.
Ma so ni nsem ni bi so. Anyesa the mama no obi na oba wa wo mo.
Madam ma
Olumon ka so do no ondo ni bia.
Me nua me no no.
no kra.
Wa na be ka just me do.
Ba wo fake na wa be
ka. Me fake you.
On the fake call. You can campaign in life say wondo.
Share. Ultimately you can never pitch a guy against me. Mama part of the matembre bi uti sam so later on be pa macho
madam me kai pa
you can never pitch me against Agrada o
sabi now
ada Agrada be di matem u ka jese me ko so cameraman ka jese me so cameraman da me di do ba atem
oluma de bia o kan so do
ma an ka sent Agrada da Cause you afraid also be afraid them job bloggers. Cause I call it for the heat, you know. It I to be done na kam ya grad akoko. Na go no afa no ho. Obua. Oh me ma wo me ma wa ho me.
Ah. Yeah, oh, proud.
As I grad dey tie me anka be me de pa. Ni nua ye ni bi. Ni nua ko hye nkofo chi gu de ni masibi.
On be twa asen ya man.
Oh, pitch me against Agrada.
Ultimate on talk about
Asia. I mean, what the matter? Grab my son. So, what about pitch me against Agrada? Okay, I was here. Jimmy Sano be a Jimmy. Okay, so was here. Jimmy Sano be a Jimmy. Key. Woki. Woki. Scientific go nyansa chew. Me ba shami ko nyansa chew.
Key we are we shami ko that key.
Who be expose? We ni expose. Wait.
Saturday mekasa.
Mekasa Ghana ba wo so.
No, na nipa be 1000.
Oh, do mu do whatever comment na say. Oh, me comment. Oh, do mo tro. Now we ma talk about 20,000 the amount machine kwa. As a Block Nation, I hear say you love women. Me pa woman me. Okwasia bo te say what? Kwasia. Hey, ya watch it. Wa bregu.
Abregu era.
Ajagurajah. Ready ya go po. No, Oji is Agrada we Jimmy ana. Na Agrada we Jimmy go do baby oduro. Hey, Agrada wo nyimi you.
Oba besio. Ha.
Sheni papa. So the jama we so that. Who be picture me against ono. Kwasia. Na me na tama kam ni na tama dada.
Ensema ya kafa no still am me we go baby odu. O na office onim nyansa.
Me so de ye na me man marry in so live ma wo.
De bi a so de ko obe kasa papa.
Do juma de an marry. O de man in so live ma wo. So them secrets I want and marry him. Now I say obi ama bu ni bia o mra na fa de bra na obi ama. Obi ama.
Oh, and na me ken.
So as ma bu nkrofo to o mu nyina mra meka. Obi ama.
That no mo your life. Almost see in manner your group chat. Ah, almost so lu me bu am no mo was a chat no.
Na de na wan fa me. I no wan ma ni nyina ma yi. E ma akro no.
Ba akokra.
Obi say I dissed him today pa during the live. He couldn't answer. You see, oh, tell him go say do what?
So be a wo ni bia wo group one be o ma ba. Wan fa nipa ba akokra mfa mba.
Hey, no, where you girlfriend in your as mo was audio sin dada.
Wan fa ba akokra mba.
Na wo ni mu nyansa Jimmy for why na dey na asem ba ba.
Nipa why na dey wo na asem be bro say wo koso kuma.
Or see, he just kept repeating himself. Me want to repeat me. Me mouth full time.
Information.
And also, scientific person can be not stop no. Or see, I see me to intro myself. So my problem is, if I can't write myself, how then do I speak English? How then do I communicate? Does it fill my forms for me when I'm traveling outside the country? No. I am surprised.
Madam, I want to interview with
No, I am surprised. No, get me that interview. Let me play it. Say what me here spoke only English with me. So if I can't write myself, how do I then communicate with people? I just received myself. Thanks, Papa.
You spoke English for over 1 hour.
I spoke English for over 1 hour.
With correct grammar. Master.
I didn't miss my tenses. Even my daughter Charmaine can speak good English more than you. Are you stupid?
Bro, for now I cannot do your classes in English.
Me no wow. Come on to. En kanam se kasa. At first, I said to myself, I will not go down the gutters with you. But I just remembered what Honorable Kennedy once said once in his speech. He said, if you are wearing a white shirt and somebody wants to fight you, remove the white shirt. Fight the person afterwards. Wear the white shirt. Okay. I'll fight you to the end. Okay. We are poor mommy. You are an imbecile and you're a waste sperm. Our father should have aborted you. Yeah. Our mother should have sat on your head when she had the chance. Yes. You are a disgrace to the family. Everybody has a black sheep in the family. But you are not a black sheep. No. You are a dyed sheep. You are dyed color, no? When you're a black sheep. You're a dyed black sheep. You're not a real black sheep. You're stupid. I thought I could change you. I thought I could make you whole again. I was so surprised when I heard you said I can't even write myself. Are you stupid? Listen. Listen.
A lot of beef, so I don't know. Hey, you have a lot of beef with people. Yes, I have a lot of beef with people.
So how was I speaking? How was I communicating with Sewa?
It's kind of my hobby. I like to beef. I don't like peace. I want trouble every time. It makes me excited. I like the adrenaline. Understand the blood rushing through my veins. I love that. I don't love peace. I love
that
makes me happy. Really? Yeah. So if nobody talks about me.
Or say that's what I asked him in the comment section when he was live. You have control over the language. Me, I choose not to speak English. Okay. Because majority of the people listening to me like to listen to me in the local dialect. So I prefer not to speak in English. It doesn't mean I am an illiterate. Are you stupid? Or see, he said that Ajagurajah is evil. You use the name to cover up. Now my video now go do UK now say Ajagurajah nyankopon. I was so surprised. Hey. Oh, David.
This evil has brought you far. And I love this evil. I would love to have this evil. I would love to have this evil to myself.
One guy.
Yeah, na make madam.
Hey, evil way you can both you yo.
Where am I at you, baby?
If when I'm mama ti I you baby.
I shall go to do one.
Hey, ya mommy didn't cry anymore.
Madam, boy, I watch you say a friend, I watch it. Aye, type I watch or go to see as a baby.
We say,
and I type a default of Messiama.
No, if Ajagurajah is evil, why then did you say about Ajagurajah not be in where the church was free?
And then make the same thing, Madama.
He shall the video, mammy.
What's it soon?
What's it so many bonnet? I had that as a guy about Ajagurajah and ask about
also. Onim ya walk camera. Onim ya walk.
Yo. Yo. Hey, Kofi Asiama Bregu.
Mana wonu no.
Bi wo na wo a, no anu ho. Sasa minim kwaka mi ni hui.
Mana oluma elu no ho.
Or see, he said none of your members can even boast of 2,000 CDs. They follow you because of food. So you ask yourself, say, also almost say, so also almost say,
so no no say mama ya.
Minimo.
On it.
In Samasa. He thinks with me go Ajagurajah movement. He's fighting me over evil Ajagurajah. Evil Ajagurajah not say fighting me. And he said, if they don't have money, so then why am I still keeping the movement?
Okay. They don't have money, and you are running the movement smoothly with no hindrances.
We quite sure me me wo bibi.
I don't just
it we just me wo bibi no.
Because Mira, movement
you don't have anything to say. What ni she kabium? Me na show abusu amamo. Papa ba ifo nyina. Me na me show abusu amamo.
I go here, John.
Hey! And I'm to be the Mexican show almost.
What am I to cast no man?
And it's I will say, or munition. I'm not Mexican on beside you.
What am I cast no man?
Cast no man, one to for a good moment. One to talk.
Cast no movement boys, but Nil Ban.
You could do your Ajagurajah.
Wait, we didn't go to Dubai. We didn't go to Dubai. You are Ajagurajah ever, no? We didn't go to Dubai, yeah. Can I go see you? Okay. Oni.
We are blessing am chiao. Ajagurajah movement for you na am chiamo. Ona we ma trip yi successful mami. Sidanka. Me chiao bibia Dubai. Bejima home kakra. Liba bre nti. Bejima home kakra. Ajagurajah movement members na am chiao bia, ya mi shiro bia.
Tie na no masem. Tie.
Say mo aduane amoche ehun sempie apiepie ade kwa chese Ajagurajah akokase Ajagurajah akokase enti
se
Okase ne.
Ocho say.
Edinkai yese mo aduane amoche ehun sempie apiepie ade kwa chese Ajagurajah akokase enti se mo ho ya batai unhune sa yese Bible says eni pagina ado wadue ene eni pagina so tanwa due Jamaica no. Ese unuya no, uhunu se enipa bi ese data no. Ana se nipa de Onyankopon hira du baabi na uhunu se ade a wo ye no wontimi nya bi obeta ho. Because Onyankopon so ma obi adma chede. Enti what ma chede no, enye bi na wo no so. Tade na wo so ta no, se na adma chede Onyankopon de ama no. Menti ni pass menti bibini ase. So Onyankopon hira nipa bibini a wo sanke nyina bo ni chidom. Now, Okodru baby na be kra be hwe no na e pese ate ne sign. Sana before tie. There is something mebusa wo. Amanfo se unua no waya ahomaso. One na nante a che mo aben no mo ne na ko ba ofiti ase.
Odo na no.
E ka se unua no ho asem kakra kire ya. Say na osi hu osofo Ajagurajah. Oni ba bi ni wo ahomara se che kwabra se ama. Na m ka kire wo. Onipa ubunipa or respect nipa or abadaye manipa or buonipa edwanya homaso ese Sofo kwabresiama anaso difo kwabresiama onya homaso se de so o dwukrache nipa nyina basa wo manipa unhun suban ai so twebe no sa na wi asete nipa wo be na anu suban do wa bonte de odie yesi but obre no wasiti obi a obupanyiri ebu akora Ewu se baby Nyankopon di na duru no wonchen obi a wasase so onu obi a yepe na mo maame wo ho e maame wo ho oba tan so de mi se ya na nsumoti on frem se Boakye woni onuan mo dini mi de mi suro me mpem ho ase mo nhye mo kwana bi nwono mo maame ntanga se onu kwa bo na ebo echi dom se yenye nyame adwuma no ese na ni je de mo ye ni je ho because o ware difu nti onim difu ye adwuma ni mo nsense sa na tie na yen go back again yen hwe mo movement no enipe obia na team bejo movement ni e bi nyobia no team bejo movement no when you obia na team ba se ofre na ya asase ni ehunu se we qualified to be na Ajagurajah movement ani e befa wo
we ensenu bia ekosusi awo social media na manfo pursue amanfo share na comment ne so edoso but too much me hunu se enya de a ewu hia wo se ye ka ye humbom se ye ma beef we atoaso e wo se nyina no ye lose interest e wo sa beef mo se na be ya ebusuan no bit ma fa na ntuma pa efra because oti nsem mo kan expose o mo de ba bontin na o se osun mienu eko a asase na ebre e ma na o ma wo mo no e na benya ensusuaso a o mo nimu e ho hwe message so be jaw comment ato your comment section ho na fi mi adoma no so se na me upload bia so na o se be tuma ka na afi so no kai say go follow me on the other social media platforms. Too much. Like